Welcome to the USA Team Spirit Design Studio. This site is only available to USA Team Spirit distributors and their representatives. The Design Studio is an awesome booking tool. You will have the capability to create fantastic designs. This will allow you to accelerate the art process and send your designs to current and potential customers. So let's get started and learn how to use the Design Studio. The Design Studio is located in the distributor section of the USA Team Spirit website. Go to www.usateamspirit.com. Click on the Distributor Access tab at the top of the page. The distributor section is password protected. Contact USA Team Spirit for a password. Under the title HTML Design Studio, you will see several choices. The Design Studio will allow you to design a 16-ounce or 26-ounce tumbler. Art styles. 4 custom design options. 3 pre-prepared templates. Choosing the One Art, One Side or One Art, Two Sides icon takes you to a design studio that allows for a single design. Please note, we have preloaded one of our most popular design elements for you. You can move this into place or delete. This and many more elements are available in the clip art section labeled USA Team Spirit Templates. But more on that later. Choosing the Two Art, Two Side icon takes you to a two-sided design studio. If you want your design to encompass the whole tumbler, then choose the Full Wrap Art icon. We also have 3 of our most popular templates preloaded into a design studio for you. Simply change the text, the colors, and make it your own. Let's look at how to navigate the Design Studio and its features. Then we can design a custom tumbler. Clicking on any of the art style icons will take you to the Design Studio. The Design Studio loads with a tumbler ready to go, based on your choosing. First, you will need to set up an account in the Design Studio. Click on the Save and Share button. Enter your details under Create Account. Now that we have an account created, let's look at the left-hand panel. Product Colors. This is where you choose your lid color. The artwork section is divided into 3 categories. Design ideas are pre-made designs. They contain multiple pieces of clip art and text. Simply change the text and colors to make it your own. Clip art. These are single pieces of art that you may use to build your own designs. My Saved Art. The Design Studio allows you to save your designs, to work on another time, or revise for another client. Add text. Enter your text in the text box. Choose your text color. Please note we have preloaded the standard print colors as well as our lid match colors. Adjust spacing between characters with the spacing arrows. You may choose from hundreds of fonts. You can outline your text with another color. You can adjust that outline by moving the outline size arrows. Text shape lets you bend your text to a curve or an arch, among other shapes. Nudge is used to move or fine-tune your text placement. Upload image. This feature gives you the ability to use your own art. The Design Studio only allows vector art to be uploaded. Supported formats are PDF, EPS, or SVG. Some popular programs that can create vector art are CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and a free program called Inkscape. You will not be able to upload photos even if they are saved as a supported format. 99% of upload problems are caused by photos being saved as a supported format. Some photos may be converted to a vector format. USA Team Spirit offers this service at an additional charge, or can direct you to a service provider. The Add Notes feature allows you to save a note along with your design. Now let's create a custom design. We will learn about the top panel as we build our design. Let's create a one-sided art for the Memphis Bulldogs. Their colors are gray and red. Let's add text. Type in Memphis in the text box. You can move your text by simply clicking and dragging to a new position. You can scale your text by clicking and dragging any of the anchor points. Let's change the font. Let's add a curve to our text with the Text Shape tool. Now let's change the color of our text. Now let's add a gray outline to our text. We can adjust the outline size by adjusting the outline size arrows up or down. Now let's add another line of text. We could go back through the text box, changing the font, changing the text color, changing the outline color, and adding a text shape again, or we can simply duplicate what we've done before. To remove the text that we just added, simply click on the X. Let's duplicate our first line of text. Simply click on Memphis, then click on the duplicate icon. Move your duplicated text into position. Make any text, font, or text shape changes that are necessary. Now let's add a clip art bulldog. Remember, you may also upload customer provided art. Now let's change our lid color. Notice we have two reds in our design. We chose the red lid match color for our text. It is very important that all colors match in a design. In this case, the collar on the bulldog does not match our text color. To change a color, simply click on the color you would like to change and pick a new one. You can place objects above or below each other. This is done in the Layers palette. Notice how the bulldog overlaps Memphis. We can change that in the Layers. Simply reorder the layers so the bulldog is below Memphis. The bulldog looks much better on top. If you happen to make a mistake, you can always use the Undo button. This design is now complete. Now we can save and share this with our potential customer. Click on the Save and Share button. Give your design a name. And type an optional message. You can email your design to your potential customer. You can also share your design with yourself. Simply enter your email in the To email box. Once you receive the email, you can save the image, print the image, or use for future presentations. Let's look at the last of the Design Studio features as we build a two-sided tumbler using design templates and modifying them. We are going back to the USA Team Spirit distributor section. You can do this by clicking on the USA Team Spirit icon in the upper left. Let's make a two-sided senior prom design for Waldron High School. Their colors are blue and red. Notice Select Print Location is now available, and it shows a front side and back side. Let's load a design idea on the front side. I don't like the black triangle, so I'm going to delete it. I want to move the entire design up. Notice I'm only moving senior. This is because I did not select all before I tried to move it. Now let's load a design for the back side. But how do I get to it? Select Print Location, then click on Back. We can use the Zoom tool to zoom in. Now let's change the date and the school name. When you have multiple pieces, it's easier to go to the Layers palette and choose which element you want to edit. Notice the colors on the front do not match the colors for the back. Also notice the red and the blue do not match our standard print colors or lid match colors. Let's use our blue lid match color and our red lid match color. At this time, I'd like to show you the last of the Design Studio features. Right-clicking any element brings up an additional palette. Copy, paste, bring to front, send to back, bring above objects, send under objects, flip horizontal, flip vertical, snap to center. Let's see what flip horizontal does. Remember, you can always undo. This two-sided design is now complete. Let's save and share. Whoops, we forgot something. That's a simple fix. Just load the design back into the Design Studio. Make any changes and resave. The USA Team Spirit Design Studio is a powerful sales tool. We encourage you to experiment and play around with different designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing!